Hello everybody! Today we are going to talk about food delivery app development. This video will answer the following questions. How does on-demand food delivery app work? What are the best technologies to use? What are the stages of food delivery app development? What are the cost of food delivery app development on DoorDash and Uber Eats examples? How to reduce costs for food delivery app development. If you need a consultation or development of a food delivery app, follow the link below the video. Oh, and one more thing. If you like the content we prepare, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you won't miss anything in the future. Food delivery has become an actual service in recent years. It became especially popular during the lockdown. Previously, people had a very simple choice: dine at the restaurant or order food delivery. Do you cook dinner yourself or choose ready-made dishes from the menu of your favorite cafe? With the onset of pandemic restrictions, visiting restaurants and cafes have become limited. But the need for delicious food has only increased, because today it is one of the most affordable pleasures. Therefore, it is not surprising that the development of on-demand food delivery applications has become one of the most popular services among IT agencies. Today, in general, it is difficult to imagine a cafe or restaurant that doesn't provide delivery of its products to consumers. And to organize the delivery process itself, from the chef knives to the buyer's table, a convenient and simple solution is required. Such a solution is the development of food delivery applications. What is food delivery app? First of all, a food delivery app is a link between the three components of the transaction: the restaurant, the courier, and the customer. Accordingly, any delivery application must meet the basic needs and goals of all three links in this chain. It should provide the client with access to the restaurant menu, online ordering, online payment for the orders, delivery tracking. On the other hand, for the administration of a catering establishment, the application is an opportunity to control incoming orders, monitor their implementation and delivery. And for the courier, the application is the main tool for optimizing logistics and completing their work on time. How does on-demand food delivery app work? Let's start with the basic principle of how such an application works. And they must combine the needs of both the restaurant itself and its visitors. In addition, the functionality of the application during development should be thought out in such a way that courier services can easily use it to organize logistics. On client side, if we talk about the functionality of the food delivery application from the point of view of the client, then it must meet the following requirements: simple and intuitive interface to make the ordering process as easy as possible, fast work without delays and long loading, informativeness. The application must contain informative textual and visual content about available dishes, their composition, prices, cooking, and delivery times. The ability to customize the dish or express individual wishes for cooking is to choose payment and delivery methods. Payment security. On restaurant side, from a restaurant's point of view, an app is not just the way to communicate with the customer. For a restaurant, a delivery app is an opportunity to solve several problems at once, communicate with customers and process food delivery orders, supervise staff and order fulfillment, collect statistics and analytics in the form of convenient and logical reports, interact with delivery service and control their work. On courier side, from the position of a courier service, the application allows you to organize the work as a whole. Real-time updating of information, quick access to delivery orders, the ability to obtain information about the address and delivery time, and compile reports for the day or a certain period are important for him. The best technologies to use. Considering the most often food delivery applications are used by the end customer from mobile devices, it is very important to choose development technologies that will ensure fast and efficient completion of all tasks to adapt the project to mobile devices. At the same time, restaurant owners often want the application to be integrated with their web-based business management software. The combination of these factors is the choice of the best technologies for development. Flutter. With the ability to develop cross-platform application with high performance, Flutter is now considered the best option for development food delivery applications that need to be brought to the market in record time. Node.js. In terms of application development, Node.js is one of the best frameworks because it allows you to implement cross-platform solutions and is suitable for both front-end and server-side back-end development. Food delivery app development, team and processes. Now it's worth telling in more detail how to select the optimal development team and what stages you have to go through before your food delivery application enters the market. The perfect team for food delivery app development. Let's say right away that the development of a full-fledged application that will equally functional for the client, restaurant and courier service requires complex teamwork. Project manager. The project manager is the link between all team members, the distribution and setting of tasks, monitoring their implementation, reporting to the customer. All this is the work of the PM, IT architecture specialist. The development of any project begins with its architecture. It is the IT architect who becomes the first link through which the project passes from its idea to a full-fledged product. Designers. Thoughtful UX/UI design is the basis of the popularity of the application. For food delivery, this route is especially relevant, so the work of designers for its development is very important. Developers. Developers are those who translate all ideas and sketches into program code. That says it all. QA engineers. Any finished application needs debugging, and the task of QA is to check its performance, functionality, identify shortcomings and weaknesses in order to eliminate them before release. The stages of food delivery app development. If you are going to order the development of a food delivery application, you will have to go through the following stages from an idea to its implementation. Research and discovery, an initial analysis of the market, the target audience, its needs, and desires is the first stage in development. Product concept. The results of the first stage result in the creation of the application concept. What services will it provide, what will it focus on, and what can it be left out of it. Design and build. Directly developing design concepts and writing application code is the next step. Launch preparations. Before releasing an application, you need to do more than just test it for functionality. In some cases, preparatory work includes marketing services, promotion and notification of customers about the application itself, maintenance and growth. An already launched application needs support. You may need to change something in it over the time, explain functionality, or improve existing options. Food delivery app development course on DoorDash and Uber Eats examples. Uber Eats, DoorDash are the most popular apps for food delivery in the world. Uber Eats app is used by more than 66 million of users, US market share 30%. DoorDash 20 million of users, US market share is 57%. DoorDash, Uber Eats apps have similar functionality, and the whole functionality can be divided into 4 parts: application for users, application for restaurants, application for couriers, application for administrators. Such food delivery applications as DoorDash, Uber Eats will be developed within 3-4 months. To create this, the racks of team needed from 1,200 to 1,500 hours and a team of 6 specialists. PM 80 hours, IT architect 40 hours, designer 150 hours, front-end development 360 hours, back-end development 800 hours, QA 80 hours. The development of the food delivery application from scratch, such as DoorDash, Uber Eats, will cost you about $40,000. This price is calculated according to the ratings of Ukrainian specialists from Rexo. If you choose a team from the United States, Western Europe, the cost of development can increase 2-3 times to $120,000. How to reduce costs for food delivery app development? Of course, every business owner wants to reduce the cost of development applications. We perfectly understand this desire, and we offer you a couple of tips on how to put it into practice. Hiring offshore pros. Hiring offshore specialists can be a great idea. With equal abilities and experience with the locals, they will require 3 times lower rates, especially if you compare American developers with the representatives of the Ukrainian IT segment. Applying for a dedicated development team. The work of a dedicated team is always more efficient and cheaper than paying for the services of individual specialists. Remember this. Choosing experts in food delivery app development. If you hire developers who already have several similar projects in their assets, this saves you time and accordingly money. Starting with MVP. Sometimes launching an MVP is an opportunity to make a name for yourself at a minimal cost. For example, you can offer your customers a service for ordering several dishes from a menu with a limited delivery region and then expand the functionality of the application as profits come in. If you need a consultation or development of a food delivery app, follow the link below the video. Hope this video was interesting and useful for you. Follow our YouTube channel and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.